Yeah. So what do you think about promoting your channel or your video to other social medias like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or blogs? So you can do this and this can work very well, but I wouldn't like spend a lot of, like when you start a new channel or a new niche, I would not spend a huge amount of time on making all the social medias for your channel on every platform and then reposting your videos and shorts on all those platforms, because you don't know yet if your channel or niche is gonna like hit the market well, right? And if it's gonna be the thing that you want to proceed for the coming weeks, months, or years. So I would just first focus on making long form videos and test those and see if your channel gets traction. And then if it does, then I would promote, like create the social media channels for it and start cross promoting and building your brands on other platforms too. As far as goes for promoting your channel, so for example, if you have a channel in the health niche and you find some health Instagram pages or Facebook pages or TikToks or blogs, you could ask them to promote your content. But I'm not a huge fan of doing that because you send traffic from like Instagram to YouTube, and usually the people that are scrolling Instagram or TikTok are not necessarily looking to watch a long form YouTube video. What I would do instead is make a list of your competitors in your niche, like 10 to 15 competitors, get their email address from the about page, and then send them an email asking for an end screen promotion and how much how much the investment for that is. Because this way they send like their audience to your videos. And if it's the same audience as you want to attract, those people are already on YouTube watching videos. And then your channel gets recommended at the end of the video. So you know it's going to be an audience that probably is the audience you are looking for, right? So it's a native way to promote your channel. And it's from almost a warm audience that you already know will like your content too if you did good competitor research. Okay, Wayu?
Budget for the promotion for the end of video from our competitor.
Yeah. How you want to like send the email, you mean, or what?
No,
like,
do you have like a range budget?
Yeah, so what I always do is I just send them an email, like very short, like, hey, I've been watching your channel, looks super cool. I'm actually starting a YouTube channel in that niche too. I would love to get some traction and invest into an end screen promotion on your channel. What are your rates? And then just watch what they say. And usually they say like, what are you willing to pay or something? Because they want to make the offer first. And what I would try is to pay like $50 for 1 week on their top 10 or 15 videos. So you want them to share their analytics, check their top 10 best videos who get the most views per hour, and then get them to put your best video in their end screens on those 10 to 15 videos for the whole week. All right?
Okay. Thank you, Yusuf.
That's what I would try.